Cobbler. And in this bowl I have flour, 1 cup of sugar, baking powder, and salt. And we have milk. I'm going to be pouring the milk in the bowl and then stirring it up. Peach Cobbler sounds good. Peaches. Okay, now I'm going to be pouring it in the bowl. The pan, I mean. It looks really good. Can't wait for it to be done. Oh, and I already melted my butter in the pan. So I'm going to be stirring up the peaches in the pot. And I'll add the rest of the sugar, lemon juice, Someone's hard to squeeze. My lentil soup is kind of easy. If you guys haven't seen my lentil soup, you should check that one out. That one's good. That soup is really good. And cinnamon on in the stove is going to be on high heat. Peaches over the batter. Actually, it looks good right now, even if it's not baked, it still looks good. Build it, and we're not gonna mix it, okay? Okay, guys. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cinnamon, or like something that has cinnamon. Oh no, that's really fun. Oh yeah, I have to add the cinnamon. I forgot. Peaches. Peaches look so good and so sweet. All the pictures look sweet, like really sweet. They do look really sweet. Then we're gonna be baking it, putting it in the oven at 400 degrees. I mean, not 475 degrees. And we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes, and I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Now we're gonna be topping it off with ice cream. Oh no, ice cream.